Today in English our topic will be long vowel double sound. Today we are going to learn another long vowel, so it will be interesting. Yes, as we have studied A. We have studied A. Yes, we have studied A. Now we are going to learn another long vowel. Yes, long vowel. When two vowels are walking, first one does talking. When two vowels are walking, first one does talking. When two vowels are walking, first one does talking. Yes? Okay. Do you know, KG class? Double sounds are also called digraphs. What is digraph? When two single sounds go together and make one sound is called digraph. Like when two single sounds go together and make one sound. Eyes on me? Very good. Start from the point, go round and round. Once again, start from the point, go round and round. Now, it become one sound. When two single sounds goes together and make one sound is called digraph. Yes. Now I will tell you the formation again. Eyes on the phonic book. Start from the point, go round and round. Next, start from the point, go round and round. This is E. This is E. And the action of E is E or. Yes, it's interesting. E or. Very good. Do with me. E or. So let's run. The donkey is tall. E or is its called. See the donkey is tall. E or is its called. So we are going to blend some vocabulary words in which E is coming. So come and blend with me, okay? What is this sound, KG class? Wo. What is this sound? Wo. And what is this sound? E. What is this sound? E. And what is this sound? H. So what it will become? Weep. Weep. Next word we will have. What is the sound? What is this sound? Very good. This is E. What is this sound? E. What is this sound? D. E. D. Seed. Seed. Next. E. So what it will become? E. Sleep. Sleep. Yes. Next. What is this sound? This is. What is this sound, KG class? Very good. This is E. And what is this sound? How many sounds in this word? 1, 2, 3. E, heel, heel. There are 3 sounds. Yes. Next word we will have. What is this sound? Wo, eat. Wo, eat. Sweet. Sweet. Getting my point? Wo, eat. Sweet. How many sounds in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sounds, KG class. What is this sound, KG class? This is. What is this sound? This is E. What is this sound? So what it will become? Meat. Like eat, meat. Yeah, very good. Next. What is this sound? What is this sound? T. Eat. Eat. क्या बना? Street. Very good. How many sounds in this word, KG class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sounds in this word. Yes. Next. Week. How many days in a week? Yes? Very good. How many sounds in this word? There are 3 sounds in this word. Yes? Next word is deep. Next. This is shh. What is this sound? Shh. What is this sound? E. What is this sound? T. So what it will become? Sheet. How many sounds in this word? There are 3 sounds, KG class. KG class, you will blend all these given words. Okay? Hope you understood my video. And we will meet in our next video with new topic. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.